What's going on, family? Listen, we back. It's about back again with another banger. I know you've been asking questions about what's going on, what have we been doing, but listen, today we are starting off with White Walker Mac and Cheese. I'm gonna walk y'all through everything. It's gonna be simple, easy, stay tuned. Listen, we're gonna run through these ingredients real quick. Got some all-purpose flour, got some Mexican cheese, also have some classic shredded cheese right here. Then we got some noodles, of course, butter. Then we're gonna have some oat milk because we don't do as much dairy. All right, then we got some smoked paprika, some dry chives, and we're gonna infuse the oil with our White Walker. Can't forget about that. All right. Then don't forget, every ingredient should definitely have garlic. All right, we're gonna have it all right here. Boom. Stay tuned for the next step. Alright guys, very simple. I added my boxes of noodles. I'm trying to use a one pan recipe, so we're not leaving this pan, guys. Everything will just be added to it. And just gonna let this cook for about 15 minutes. Just keep a good eye on it, make sure everything's submerged perfectly. And the oil is bubbling, excuse me, the water is bubbling around. You know how boiled water works?
Yummy!
So now we got the butter. We're gonna start our brew. Add about 3/4 cup of flour. Keep that stirred around. Add my seasons. We got some dry chives. We got some garlic powder, some smoked paprika. We have some table salt and black pepper. Okay. Nice there. Alright guys, so I have the cheese sauce done. Right now I'm going to put the White Walker infused olive oil at the bottom of the pan. I know it's a little bit different, but so when we add the noodles back to it, it'll all be covered in the noodles. And then the cheese sauce on top, I'll bring everything together. Mix this up a little bit, spread that out. And we're going to slowly add the cheese. There's a lot of things I can say that we do here that I really enjoy, but I really enjoy mac and cheese. It can go with anything. More so, I just want you guys to understand the versatility of cannabis and what you can do with it, especially how good this food come out. Yeah. Whew. All that crisp.